You have 7 seconds to make a first impression, and by second 3, your brain has already decided if you're trustworthy, competent, worth listening to.
Neuroscience confirms it. Your brain forms a full social assessment in under 7 seconds, not based on what you say, but on 3 silent signals you're not even aware of.
Signal 1. Posture. Slouching screams insecurity, even if you're calm inside. Standing or sitting tall tells the brain this person is in control. Just 30 seconds of posture correction can shift how others perceive you before you utter a word. Signal 2. Eye contact rhythm. Hold gaze for about 60% of the time. Not too long, creepy, not too short, shifty. The sweet spot, 1 to 2 seconds per look. That's when trust neurons fire and people feel seen. Signal 3. The micro smile. A real one lasts just half a second and lights up the orbicularis oculi muscle around your eyes. Fake smiles don't do this, and your brain knows the difference before you even register it. You don't need charisma. You need consistency. Practice these 3 signals for 60 seconds a day. Stand or sit tall. Gaze 60%. Smile with your eyes. In 7 seconds, you change the trajectory of a conversation, a job interview, a first date. Fake smiles don't do this, and your brain knows the difference before you even register it.
Your mind is wired to judge and be judged in seconds. But now you hold the map. If you want to uncover more hidden rules of human behavior, subscribe, because the most powerful psychology isn't in textbooks, it's in the choices you make before you speak.